On a quiet stretch of the Mekong, not far from the Cambodian border, lies a community shaped by skills passed down for generations. What happens here reveals a side of the river most travellers never learn about. Hey peeps, welcome back to Time to Go Places. It's day 4 of our Mekong Princess journey, and this morning we're exploring Gieng Island before continuing on to Hong Ngu, a village known for its weaving, embroidery and warm welcoming community. Gieng Island is one of Mekong's quieter communities, yet it plays a significant role in the river's culture. Many of the wooden sampans used throughout the delta are actually crafted here and by hand. It's a reminder that even as the region modernises, the Mekong remains a working river sustained by traditional skills. A short ride took us past mango gardens and into the island's small monastery, where we were welcomed with a gentle blessing. It's a simple gesture, but one that reflects the community's values of hospitality, humility, and spiritual grounding. This moment offered a meaningful pause in the journey. A reminder that the Mekong isn't only a river of trade and agriculture, but also a river shaped by faith, ritual, and the quiet rhythms of daily life. Our journey continued upstream towards Hong Ngu, another community where tradition, skill, and daily life are closely intertwined. Hong Ngu sits close to the Cambodian border, and that location has shaped its identity for generations. One of the traditions that defines the community is the weaving of krama scarves. This is a cultural symbol in Cambodia and a practical part of daily life here. Watching the weaving inside family homes gives you a rare sense of how tradition and livelihood are intertwined in this region. These skills are often passed down through generations, and the pieces created here quietly support local households. A visit to the Hoa temple adds another layer of understanding. This religion began in the Mekong Delta, and its teachings emphasize simplicity, community, and compassion, values that are reflected in the way people here live. Hong Ngu doesn't receive many Western visitors, and that's part of what makes this stop so meaningful. The warmth and the openness of the community offer a genuine connection to life along the border. Back on the Mekong Princess that afternoon, we said our farewells and our thanks to Khai, our Vietnamese guide, who had taken such great care of us throughout our time in Vietnam. Khai gave us a rare and special glimpse into life along the Mekong, and his insights and kindness made the past 4 days truly memorable. As the ship continued upstream, we approached the Cambodian border. Most of the formalities had already been organised earlier in the cruise, so the crossing itself was simple and handled entirely by the crew. It was a quiet part of the afternoon, giving us a chance to relax as the Mekong Princess made her way into Cambodia. Later in the afternoon, the executive chef hosted a cooking demonstration featuring 2 dishes that are iconic along the Mekong: green papaya salad and fish amok. It was a fun and flavourful way to learn more about the region's cuisine. After the daily briefing with the ship's hospitality director, Eric, we were treated to a spectacular farewell to Vietnam dinner. The dining room was beautifully decorated, the atmosphere was warm and inviting, and the food was delicious. It was a thoughtful way to mark our final moments in Vietnam as the Mekong Princess continued deeper into Cambodia. Day 4 revealed the many ways life along the Mekong is shaped by skills, tradition, and community. From the craftsmanship of Gieng Island to the weaving of Hong Ngu and a reflective visit at the Hoa temple, crossing into Cambodia felt like a natural continuation of that story. a reminder that the Mekong flows freely through the region, connecting all the communities who live along its banks. Thanks for joining us for day 4 of our river cruise on the Mekong Princess. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe to help our little channel grow. Please join us next time for day 5 because it's time to go places.